Hello everybody. Now we'll complete the revision in the factorization. In the last session we revision on the three types of the fraction: simple, non-simple, and perfect square. Now we'll factorizing the difference of the two squares. Okay. Factorizing the difference of the two squares. If now we'll start with note this example. First bracing a plus b and second bracing a minus b. The relation between two bracing here is times. Here this is no remark plus or minus or divided, so we'll not sign here. This is mean times 2 times. In the last session we practiced first bracket and second bracket of braces. A times all second and B times all second. There is the result finally will be A power 2 minus B power 2. That's mean the opposite way. What? A power 2 minus B power 2. That's mean open to brackets A factors of A power 2 A and A. This is factors A and A, and B power 2 P and B, and the difference between the sign in the two bracing, the first is positive and second or minus, or the first or minus or and the second is negative. That's okay. Again, A power 2 B power minus B power 2. This mean simple element here power 2 and element here power 2. That is element is squared 2 square. Okay, squared and B squared. The A power 2 and B power 2 is mean or is called 2 square, and the sign between two element here is minus, so this is called the difference of the two square. That type is the difference between two square. The condition here, two condition in this two element only, and squared, and the difference and the sign between two squared here is minus, not positive. Two condition here, open two bracket, two factors of A power 2 A and A, say x power 2 x and x, y power 2 y and y, A and A, B power 2 factors of A power 2 squared number times itself, B power 2 P and P. Okay, the sign is positive and negative. That's clear. This okay. We'll start with exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, x power 2 minus 25. That is square. Yeah, 25. That's square. Perfect square. Yes. 25, 5 and 5, so that is square and that is square, and the sign between two square is minus. That's mean the difference of two square. So factorizing here, open two brackets. Okay, the factors of x power 2 is x and x put here and x put here. 25 factor 5 and 5, and as we say 5 and 5, so 5 and 5, and the sign positive and negative or positive. That is the very easy way to the difference, factorizing the difference of the two square. Another example, x power 2 minus 9y power 2. What happened here? X power 2 is the difference if the square and perfect square, and 9y power 2 perfect square, and the sign here is negative. That is the type of factorizing of difference of two square. Exactly. Okay, open two braces or open two brackets. The x power 2, the two factors x and x, and 9y power 2, two factors 3y and 3y, and the two sign positive or positive and negative, or negative and positive. That's correct. Third example here for 49 x power 4, again 49 x power 4 minus 1, this is squared. Yeah, 49 7 times 7, x power 4, x power 2, and x power 2, 1 times 1, exactly. So y, 7y and 7y, 1 and 1, positive and negative or positive. That's correct. Okay. If the two fact is fraction, what happened? Is the difficult example? No, that's a needed. That's Excel, easy. Y, 1 over 9, 1 times 1, 9, 3 times 3, a power 2, a and a, 1 over 4 quarter. Here what happened? 1 times 1 and 4, 2 times 2. So third a and third a, here half and half, third a and third a, half and half, positive and negative. That is the for example of the factorizing of difference of two squares. It is easy. This factor of 2 here, here and here, and factor of second here, and the same factor, positive and negative. As we say, positive negative or negative positive. Okay. Exercise here is first and idea difficult of this exercise, this lesson, but we study in the last video. So homework here is this example, x2 x power 2 and minus 18. Difficult or easy? Type okay with you. Here 2x power 2 minus 18, what happened? Perfect? Square? No. 2 to perfect. So can you comment? Can you take comment? 2 here and 18 is common. So 2 common out and open braces. Cut 2 remained is x power 2, cut 2 is remained is x power 2 minus 9 is perfect square, is the factorizing of different two square and complete. Okay, this is homework in this in the comment below. Let your homework below this video in YouTube or page on face on the face, and the homework again, this exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a short video in the lesson difference between two square. I wish this is easy to you, and let's comment below this video what do you say is explain or easy or difficult, and I will support for me in these comments and like and subscribes in this video on YouTube. Thank you, and saying and happy into let's start with seconds next video here.